Inspired by the amazing illustrations of Suzy Ultman, we are going to be making this adorable kitty with a pineapple hat or whatever fruit you want to put on. So let's get going. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is pick your colors for your cat ears and the face, and then you're going to get cutting those out. Okay, so I cut the colors to be the same size and width, so it's easier to do your cutting from there. And then I'm gonna just come down and make the shape of the ears. Okay, so next I'm gonna, I think the nose is gonna be coming down maybe about here. We'll see how it goes. And I'm just curving up and around. And I'm going to do the same on this side, curving up and around. And then I do think the nose is a little too long, so I'll just take that off. Maybe just angle it in a little more. So I glued the ears to the top of that blue sheet, and so now I can come around and give it the curve of the face. Now, can you guess what type of hat I'm making this time? And there you have it, two super cute cats inspired by Suzy Ultman with their adorable fruit hats. Have a great one.